Hey, what's up? I'm Aaron Cartier and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back for another video here on my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video of a Brandon Blackwood bag that I have been waiting to get my hands on. Now, originally when I first saw this bag, I didn't purchase her. I did have my eyes on it, but I was like, I don't know if that's the bag that I really want or if that's the bag for me. But then I saw somebody who purchased it on Instagram and they actually took a few pictures with it. They did some videos on how they style it, and it was actually a male. And I was like, okay, yeah, he has won me over. I definitely want that bag. I definitely want to get my hands on it. So I had to wait until they came back around and had the fall launch, which just happened. So I was like, okay, this time I'm going to get my hand on that bag. So that's what I did. I went ahead and made that purchase. And today's video is going to be an unboxing. I have not looked at the bag. I have not opened the bag or anything. So this is going to be first impression, my first reaction, my real genuine reaction. As I open this, we're going to be opening it together, and I'm very excited to try this bag on, see what it looks like, wear it out on the town when the time finally comes. I'm just so excited that I finally got my hands on it. Now, if I do sound a little nasally, I'm getting over a cold right now. I don't know where the hell it came from. It just literally came out of nowhere. But usually, I always catch a cold when the seasons are transitioning. Usually when we're going from like summer to fall or winter, I always get a cold. And then when we go from like winter to spring, I always get a cold there. So if I do sound a little nasally, I apologize, but that's why. I'm not even gonna know what I sound like until I edit. It may not even be noticeable. It may not even be that bad, but to my mind, and me, I hear it. So just had to put that out there just so everybody can know what's going on. If you are new to my channel, hi, hello, welcome. I am Aaron Cartier and I upload videos every Sunday. I create fashion and lifestyle videos. So please go ahead and push that subscribe button down below and join the Diamond Squad here on YouTube. I would love to have you. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back and checking me out. You did not have to do that, yet you did, and I appreciate you so much for doing so. So with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and let's get into unboxing the Brandon Blackwood Bamboo Tote. Alright, so this is the box that it comes in, just the standard Brandon Blackwood white box. And I'm so excited. This is, like I said, my fourth Brandon Blackwood item. So I love Brandon Blackwood. I love supporting black businesses. If you haven't checked out my black business haul, be sure to check that out. I have been wanting to add more and more items to my collection, and thanks to Twitter and Instagram and people tagging stuff, I have found so many more black businesses that I cannot wait to purchase and hopefully do more unboxings and more first impressions for you here on my channel. So let's go ahead and open her and see what she's giving. So of course, like in every purchase, we have the envelope which has the Brandon Blackwood signature. It's usually a thank you note, just a standard, copy and print it. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new. So it says, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new, I believe that says juice. I can't tell what that says. And I can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO Brandon. And that comes in every single Brandon Blackwood item that you purchase, whether you get a wallet, whether you get a bag, whatever it is. It always comes with that. And then we have a lovely dust bag right here, which I love the dust bag. The dust bag just screams luxury to me. And you can already kind of see the bag and everything through the dust bag, but it just screams luxury. It just screams, beauty. Everything designer comes in a nice dust bag. So we have the standard white Brandon dust bag. And let's go ahead and crack her open, darling, and see what she's giving. Just like it's Christmas Day, have to unwrap all the paper, take all the paper off, rip it up like it's your first day. Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous! Oh my gosh, and this is what it looks like. The Brandon Blackwood Bamboo Tote. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. It has some weight to it. It's luxurious. We're gonna get into the product details like I do in every video. But yes, this is what it looks like. It has the beautiful bamboo hardware, and this is very sturdy. Like, I can feel it. I believe this is actual metal, and then this is a nice leather. And then we have the Brandon Blackwood logo here in gold. It's so pretty, and I don't even really wear gold, but I might make this my new everyday bag. So let's get all the stuffing out. We have some, what is this, instructions. This is new, I haven't seen this. A nice Brandon Blackwood tag here. What is this? It says, it tells you basically about the product. All our products are created one by one. Our craftspeople, each bag has been produced by unique techniques, special treatments, and hand finishing. Please handle with care to maintain quality and material by minding instruction and notes with mentions below. So it looks like he's including on how to take care of your bags now, which, like I said, I have another Brandon Blackwood bag and that didn't come with any instructions. So it looks like he's upping the quality of his products. He's including instructions. I don't know if his other bags come with it because, like I said, my other Brandon Blackwood bag, my little handbag, it didn't come with any instructions. So I guess he's doing that now. And then on the inside, we have a lovely shoulder strap here. Yes, darling, you can wear this on your shoulder. You can take the strap out. Let's get this unraveled and let's see what it's giving, because I definitely will be wearing this mostly as a crossbody unless, you know, I have somewhere nice to go or an event to go to, or where I just want to wear, you know, as a handbag like so. So let's go ahead and put these claps on and I'll be right back. Alright guys and gals, so this is what it looks like with the strap on, and it is an adjustable strap, so I can have it as a crossbody. I can do it like this, a nice crossbody moment, giving the girls everything they came here for, everything that they need. And it doesn't even really need to be adjusted. This is kind of like the perfect length for me. It's like right above my hip, which I absolutely love. So let's go ahead and let's get into the product details. Now, I just went on the website and it does say sold out, which I'm not surprised that it's sold out, because like I said, when it first originally came out, I saw that it sold out within minutes. So I literally was stalking the website, and as soon as it went on sale, I heard him put it in my cart and put it in my purchase, but it is sold out. But hopefully he'll be bringing it back again when he does another relaunch. But let's go ahead and get into the product details. So the description, our Bamboo B Tote in black, genuine leather and custom bamboo hardware. So let's see, it's made out of 100% genuine leather. The hardware is gold metalware, and the lining is microfiber suede fabric. So let's see, that must be on the inside. I still have the instructions to cut that off. So let's see, yeah, it looks like on the inside, if you can see here, it has the suede on the inside. And we're gonna take those little gel packets that they always put in there, take those out. So yes, this is what it looks like. Now this bag does retail for how much? It is $375, but like I said, it is currently sold out at the moment. But this bag is so perfect because I also have the wallet, the matching wallet in the bamboo hardware. So like now we're matching. I feel official, like I have the bag and I have the wallet to match. So let's see what all we can fit in here. So in my day-to-day, I put my wallet in there, of course. I will put my phone in here. I will put some chapstick in here, but I don't know where my chapstick is. I'll probably put some mints in here, so let me grab some mints. So I would grab some mints. So I just grabbed like 2 mints. I would throw that in there. And my phone takes up a lot of space. I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so that phone is quite big, so it takes up a lot of space. Let me see, I'll probably throw my vlog camera in here, so let me grab that. So yeah, looks like if I want to fit anything in here, I'll probably just take my phone out and carry my phone in hand. It looks like it has like a small little pocket in the very back, but let's see if I can fit my vlog camera up in here. So yeah, the vlog camera is in there, as you can see. The vlog camera, the wallet, and then I could fit my phone in here. I just have to put it upward, like kind of like this, where it's like sticking up and it's not facing, you know, sideways. But like I said, I'll probably put like some chapstick in here. I should be able to throw my keys in here as well, but it's very small, it's very constructed, and it's probably going to loosen up over time, because as far as the wallet, I remember him saying, because it's kind of hard to open the wallet because of the metal around it, but he says over time it loosens up, and you know, it's a little easier to get your money in and out of here. But I'm so excited I have the matching pieces. It's so freaking cute. But yes, this retails for $375 and it's so cute. I'll probably have to do a video on how I style this on with some outfits. I think that'll be cute for fall. This is like a cute fall bag, and it can easily transition over to summer and spring. It's just so fun. I feel like it fits any weather, and I feel like the price comes from mainly because it is 100% genuine leather, and you know leather is a bit pricey. So yeah, $375, but he also does Afterpay, so if you want to spread the payments out over 4 payments, he also has that option available. But I'm so happy that I finally got my hand on this bag. It is so freaking cute, it is so freaking adorable, and it's definitely worth the purchase, definitely worth supporting Black businesses. I absolutely love this, and I cannot wait to start rocking it. Alright guys, so that's basically going to do it for my first impression unboxing of the Brandon Blackwood Bamboo B Tote bag. I absolutely love the bag. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful. I cannot wait to rock it and style it and wear it. I want to go on some trips now and go somewhere and wear it out and about and just, you know, get my use of it. Like I said, now that I have the wallet and I have the matching piece, it's just gonna make it even more beautiful when I pull out my wallet out of my matching bag and really serve the girls and give them, you know, what I came to give them, and that's just a lot, period. But that is going to do it for my video today, and I will see you guys next Sunday for a brand new video here on my channel. And like I said in every video, be sure to shine bright like a diamond. Bye.